playthrough video, and we are doing part 2 today. So do subscribe to the Gaming Black Dragons, or you don't have to. If it's your kind of channel, then do subscribe. Yeah. So, anyway, we're going to do part 2, as you know. We are going to be doing our vigilante adventures, like I said already. Oh, well, I'm saying the same thing, but yeah. So I've been playing a bit of off-camera stuff, getting the money to buy more guns and that, and I've also been connecting the CTOS in that starting area. I haven't done so in this area. Oh yeah, and sorry if you can hear sirens coming from my window. Okay. The loop. Not connected. Whoa! Oh Jesus! When you start crashing this game, especially around the traffic lights, but yeah. Okay. One hell of a drive to my mission. Okay. Thought I'd start early today, then I can pump parts out. Okay. Okay, let's go. Well, I've already brought guns.
Nice day, isn't it?
Right, let's have a look.
Anything I can help you with?
No, because look. Okay. Suppose I can get hold of you. Oh yeah, an assault rifle. Yeah, okay, so yeah, it's one of those games with a lot of dialogue, so I have to try not to talk as much. Yeah, we are driving to the official mission destination. Oh my, you bloody idiot. Oh my driving is all over the place, what is going on? Okay, entering the restricted area. Okay. So let's locate this guard then. Okay. Bloody hell. Right. Gotta sneak round the guard. Okay. Well, I'll just do it like this then. Whoa! Okay, I found the access code. See, I'm not very good at stealth, so I just went in all guns blazing. It's my favourite way of doing it. And there you go, we got our first puzzle of the playthrough. Oh god. So I'm not looking forward to this. And there you go. To be fair, this is quite easy. Oh, for goodness. What? Oh my. Oh my god. Now I've got to do that all over bloody again. Fam, that wasn't cool what you did there. Took me... Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm quite fast. I acted it quite quickly.
What? You mean you're in the CTOS already? I'm looking at the network as we speak. You've got your access, and I've got mine. Profile our systems online. Everybody's nasty little secrets at the click of a button. This thing's highlighting all kinds of stuff in the district. We can take advantage of some of this. Keep an eye out for online traffic. Could be fixers in the network. If I can see them, they can see me. Alright, I gotta move. I mean, a lot of noise here. Give me time to track your caller. I'll be in touch.
Bang! Well, that was easy. That first mission.
Hey, I need you to cover something for me.
What is it?
I lined up a lucrative deal with a very demanding client. He needs a driver.
No.
But here's the thing. I come in this morning, find Maurice trying to dig his way out of the guest room. So I need to move him. Now I can pass this problem on to you since Maurice is really your problem. But that's not my style. I always finish what I start, and all I'm asking of you.
Alright. Fine. I'll handle it.
Well, no, don't let me push you out.
You said I'd handle it. It's a job. Exactly.
It's a delivery job. Gotta move some guy. I mean, how hard is that? Just keep in mind my reputation's on the line here. He's paying top
Alright.
dollar for the best driver in Chicago.
Oh yeah, this is that mission where we get a lot of cops, so... So yeah, I'm gonna have fun doing this one. Not. Climb over. Yeah, I can see why people found this game a disappointment.
Jesus. What the hell, a fixer? I made too much noise in the loop. This guy's found me. Well, now I better find him. Joey's job will have to wait.
Dearie me. Things are not looking good. Okay, that's better. Time to get the leave. Okay, let's listen to this call. Let's find this.
Okay, now in the search area. Come on in.
Oh,
There you are. You're mine now.
hey, and I did that on.
More out there.
Oh, for goodness sake. Oh, snitches on this game.
Fixers are mercenaries.
This is what I hate about modern open world games. You get all the snitches.
That's bad fucking news.
Never used to exist back in the day. Okay, so yeah, I was getting chased by police because a snitch called on me. Yeah, we're gonna do the next mission in the game. Backseat driver. I know this is what this one's about.
Yeah.
Where the fuck you been? It's gone to shit. Fuck, man, it's all gone to shit.
I'm on my way.
Hurry, man, the cops are gonna find me. Hurry.
Okay. Okay, so we don't get the police. So we don't get the police. Gonna not hijack a car. We're getting the... Oh my god. Okay, so... Yeah, we're just driving to the destination. So, in this mission, it's basically you're in a car and you're trying to avoid cops whilst doing delivery driving. God, all these tutorials when you know. Oh no, I'm being chased by the cops. God, because some idiot are calling the police on me. Don't know why that's a thing in these types. Nowadays in games, you cannot commit a crime without someone going, ding ding, hey, there's a person trying to kill me. Okay, and I found the location. Okay, let's see what he's on about.
I hope you have an invitation or you're dead. I'm the driver. Fuck, man, what took you so long? You got a car, this thing's shut to hell. No? My rule's your car. That's the job. Alright, well, come on, let's go.
Oh, why is it blurred out? God, I hate when it does that. Yo! Yo, yo, yo! Okay. God, this is so blimmin' dangerous, man.
It's dead. I left it back there. Oh, man, the cops came out of nowhere.
Okay, where do we need... Okay, so... I might look easy, but trust me, that...
Just follow the route and keep an eye on it. The cops are
But trust me, it's not. Can't just drive straight up.
Sit back and keep quiet. Just stick to the plan. I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Damn, it's a patrol car.
Not good at...
See it.
See this for me. Probably. What I mean, you've got to be so careful at where you go. You've got to plan your route. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to the new Watch Dogs Legion. I think that's going to be great. In fact, I can assemble a whole team, make players like anyone I want. That's just really good. That concept. Along with AC Valhalla and Watch Dogs Legion. They'll be really emptying my wallet, hopefully, Ubisoft. But this is when Ubisoft are having a bit of a bad year. I mean, this game's decent, but it's not the best game of all time, or not worth really bragging about. Shoo! Right, all I've got to do is avoid all detection, and we should be okay. Oh, goodness. Do these drivers never work where they're going? Just as bad as the British roads. Because all the cars are big and bulk. Okay, I've done it.
That's lucky, Queen. Why's the club boss meeting us? He's not meeting us. Meaning you.
I've still got plenty of time to record.
happened? There wasn't supposed to be anybody. I mean, it's a computer plant, right? I turned around, the alarm's going off. The cops got there so fast.
Quiet now. It's all over, son.
I got it, Luis, right? That's what matters.
It is indeed what matters most. Here's how the world turns. Not much room for fuck-ups.
Oh, I get that, Mr. Quinn. I do. It wasn't my fuck-up, though. It wasn't.
Yeah, calm now. It's all right. Calm. Get a chance to talk to your mama? All your friends? Girl?
No, sir. I was in a hurry.
That's good. Very good.
Whoa! Yo, talk about taking that to the extremist, fam. Okay. Mind you, he did betray. Oh, please don't do anything to me, please.
Tell your employer I'll call again. If ever I need another lift.
Guess I'll get his car. I guess I do.
Lucky fucking Quinn. He runs the Chicago South Club. These assholes have been preying on Chicago since before I was born. I could have done the city a huge favor if I put one between his eyes. This is exactly what I've been trying to stay away from. It always comes back hard. That can't happen again.
Hey, how'd it go? You finished that job yet?
You thought I'd be okay working for the fucking club?
A paycheck is a paycheck. You gotta start separating the morals from the moolah. Relax. Listen, I can hook you up with my guy. He'll find you better driving gigs if you want.
Yeah, sure. I don't know if I'll take them. Give him my name.
Luke says no to extra cash, right? Oh, and since you asked, Maurice is doing just fine in his new home.
Mission Completiano. And that's how we roll. That's how we roll. Yeah, Act 1, 4 out of 9.
I've got something for you. We need to meet. Meet? What, face to face? Should I look for a guy in a mask? No mask. Just follow my signal. I thought you never wanted to meet. I don't. But we need to meet.
To this day, these Watch Dogs games are being played, being coming out at the right time when social media and all that have become a really big influence. Okay. Yo, what am I? Oh my god. Getting carried away again. Don't even know my way around the map. At least I've stopped setting waypoints to everything on this game. Okay. Mind you, if you know the city of Chicago map, not actually been to the city, which I'm glad I haven't because I've heard about it, or it's actually like now. And yeah, we're going to meet Bad Boy 17. The results may shock you. Open your world.
I've hired Bad Boy before, and he's always protected his identity. That's how that site works. Now he wants to meet. That's unusual. Alright, I'm gonna try and shake him off his game. Let's see what he's up to.
Okay. Okay, and we're going underground. Going underground. Ooh.
Clara.
Clara. You don't look 17.
Do I look like a bad boy?
No, you look like a wild card.
I hope I don't frighten you.
What, do you have a reason to frighten me?
Now you're being paranoid.
Am I? Someone is fucking with my life, threatening my family, and at the same moment, the mysterious bad boy wants to meet me, and he is a she. He is a lie. Listen, I need to trust you, Clara.
I wouldn't trust me if I were you. But here's a reason to listen. The text message you sent me. I know where to find him.
Yeah, well, we don't need to meet face to face for that.
No. We needed a face-to-face for this. You wanted that sex, Max.
You got that.
You should be nicer to me. I'm about to open your world.
Yeah. Well, you're not the first woman to promise me that.
They do all their nasty work through this. And they don't know I have access.
Oh, you stole it.
This is powerful. Just don't be stupid. You screw around and you get people hurt. Worse.
Well, I don't think you trust me.
Give me a reason to trust you.
All right. The guy sent the text. How do we find him?
We work together. You with everything I just said. Me tracking his signal.
You're not quite what I expected.
And you're exactly as I expected, Aiden.
Okay, what skills have I unlocked? Okay, we'll have to do some hacking skills. Oh my god. That looks like a good one. Okay. Okay, disrupt enemy comms. We've got blockers. What have we got in terms of crafted items? So we've got that, we've got focus space or flash. I'm gonna go with focus space. There you go. Focus space.
Am I talking to bad boy or Clara?
Let's make it easy. Voila. So we need to track your caller. But he's sneaky. He's bounced his address through a CTO's office tower. Client services, employees, and executives, things like that.
An office tower.
We need to find a way into the system.
Okay, we will do.
I get you his
You
location.
impatient little...
Get into the building where they're most vulnerable. Check out where they take deliveries.
Looks like underground. In the tunnel.
I'll start there.
Cool, because I'm already there.
I know what you were doing. Trying to intimidate me. Very textbook. Stepping into my personal space, the stare, physical contact. You're trying to look for cracks. So did you find any?
When you love to know.
Okay. Okay. Oh, God. No! 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 Yo! Yo! Okay, fight back, fight back. Whoa! I had a near-death experience. Right. Oh god. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. And I died. Oh my god. It's humiliating. I nearly had him there. Where it's one of those games where it takes more bullets to kill an enemy than it does, you know. Well, I just don't give them a chance, no. No, I can't just... Couldn't even shoot me. I'm gonna get my revenge here. Oh god. Yes! Right, here we go, here we go. Do you like a good shootout? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay. That's not good if... Yes! I am now... I get my revenge. Victorious in a shootout. Try some... Let's use this one. Right. What I've got to do... Okay. Some puzzle solving. Which annoyingly there is on this game. Mind you, it's too easy or too hard at times.
See what's ahead.
The layout shows a wide open indoor plaza.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
Oh, those hacks I uploaded to your phone? It's perfect distraction. You can disrupt the equipment of any guard in there.
Equipment like what?
Anything. Hack their phones, earpieces, explosives. Everything around the connectivity these days.
Okay, I'll try it. You scan me the offices. Find me someone with an unsecured laptop.
Got one. Bradley Coughlin. Oh no. He's a security director.
Of course he is. Once I hack it, you move fast.
Oh.
Call it and get out. Won't take long for security to spot the intrusion.
Don't worry about me.
Okay. Kabam! Oh! He was the right one.
He's moving!
Really think. Oh no, no, no. You're not calling for blimmin' reinforcements. You call for... Reinforcements are on their way! You're lucky I've gone up these steps. Oh. Oh, for good... It's because of that snitch. We're gonna call for reinforcements. Here we go, I'm now feeling like an absolute noob. Because I keep dying. Okay, after going through many cops. And dying, and you know, vice versa. Use my shotgun then. Right, I have found a way in. Yeah, Watch Dogs 2 is the one where I can play with all the drones now. Kabam. There you go, all I need to do is open the link. Up like that. Okay, how's that supposed to work? Fam, this is just some weird stuff already. Then that... Bang! Okay, into the CTOS network. Ah, yes. Right. Cities for animal cruelty.
Not just an ad. It blocks
Oh, now we're hacking.
Someone's hacked in. Oh, fuck me. Lock down the building. Find it now.
Oh, now the building's going into bloody lockdown.
Searching now. Carl,
Oh no, it ain't.
coming. They've got high-tech scans that are hard to shake. You need to get out of there.
The cops are scanning me. I can't get clear fast enough.
Oh god.
Jam their scans?
I'm now gonna get into
I think we do.
100-hour long police
Sending it to you.
chain. Okay. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Yo, I'm out. Okay. All I've gotta do is I've gotta escape the police gang. Whatever wave comes in. Oh, whoa. What's going on? Oh no! No, now I'm gonna get into a police chase. Or the mission. Oh, here we go. Now I've got to go into a police chase that could take up to anything of an hour. Oh my life. When it goes wrong, I'm telling you it goes wrong. Okay. Okay, I'm out of the error. Yes! And I finally completed the mission. How many skill points? See, when a skill point comes available, I'm just gonna get it. Hacking ones are the most important in my opinion. So how are we doing with Act 1? Am I in a position to complete Act 1? Listen to this bit of dialogue.
I got your mouse. This call was made from an apartment in the loop.
Finally.
Just be careful, Aiden. The way he bounced his signal around, I think he wants you to find him.
Well, I certainly don't want to disappoint him.
Yeah, I'm gonna end it there. Thank you for watching and see you in the next part.